Madam and Sir, good day. I am Rowena Asi, 39 years old, from Rosacara, Bansod, Oriental Mindoro, Philippines. I am single. I have two children, ages 11 years old of my daughter and 7 years old of my son. I am high school graduate. I have working experience as domestic worker in Doha, Qatar for 2 years and 2 months. I was serving for 3 family members. My main duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, washing and ironing the clothes, and taking care of the baby. I know how to cook the simple food like steamed vegetable and fish, fried egg, and hot dog. I'm willing to learn how to cook the Chinese food if you teach me. I am responsible, hardworking, and trustworthy people. Madam and sir, if you choose me, I will do my duties and responsibilities very well. And I promise I will finish my 2 years contract and more. Thank you and God bless.